topic was on why consultants are the best suited to actually solve for Industry 4.0. What is referred to today as Industry 1.0 is essentially the first industrial revolution, which was riding off steam power. Subsequently, we migrated to the electrical revolution. Today, we're talking about intelligence across the workflow. Industry 4.0 is basically capturing intelligence and information across the workflow and enabling the management to react to this rather than to discover the current operating condition through data capture manually. Between 3.0 and 4.0, we went through a phase of leaning of industry. And the leading of industry was based on problem solving using data and facts. Here's where the role of consultants and practitioners becomes relevant. Most companies get defeated at the data stage itself. Then comes the drawing of meaningful insights, and then comes the definition of the correct set of actions. And lastly, and most importantly, comes how do you take your people along? Even if the data is telling you something, how do you make your people buy into that and take them along the journey? So these are big impediments to the implementation of lean principles that plagued us between Industry 3.0 and 4.0. What 4.0 does is essentially the leaning of lean. We are actually deflating the amount of effort and time required to capture data with fidelity and accuracy, and creating transparency digitally so that the focus of all of us is on solving the problem rather than discovering the problem. I think that's a very big contribution of Industry 4.0, and more importantly, a very big contribution for platforms such as ConnectFacts. The facts exist; they are disparate. They are located locally amongst multiple machines and in multiple minds. Capturing all of that in one platform enables problem solving to move forward exponentially. This is a solution best developed by practitioners rather than programmers. Why is this important? Because leaning of manufacturing lies at the intersection of workflow, data, and people. Consultants have been manually doing this for many years, and they understand how workflows happen, what data is relevant to capture the chinks in that workflow, and what is the correct presentation of facts that will enable people to buy in, engage, and drive the solution going forward. And that's the value of practitioners building such a solution. Practitioners such as LFC that have done hundreds of such situations also have a pattern recognition ability, and that can result in templatization across industry and address the concern that Mr. Sundaramani touched upon earlier of saying different industries are at different levels. One more esteemed speaker had pointed this out, how do you make sure disparate industries can use the same solution? Pattern recognition becomes important, and that's best done by practitioners, and that's why I think it's encouraging that a consulting firm like LFC has built this platform. This is the beginning of a journey. I think this tool will help accelerate the movement along this continuum and potentially move the industry towards self-operating, self-regulating, and potentially self-maintaining practices. So I wish the team the best of luck.